Did you know you can create stunning wall art using free AI tools and sell it online for passive income? This idea is for those people who are scared to start a side hustle using AI. This is for you, as it is very simple and easy to do, and start making your first dollar. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created these beautiful Afrocentric designs using Playground AI. Then turned them into printable wall art using Canvas and uploaded them to Etsy to sell as digital downloads. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to start making money with AI too. So let's get started. Step number 1 is to head over to a free AI tool called Playground AI. You can just type AI art generator into Google and select the first link. Once you land on the website, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's completely free. And once you log into your dashboard, it should look similar to this. Now the first thing we want to do is name our project. So click on Create Project, name your project, and leave the description blank. Then click Create. Next, we want to click on the image size drop-down menu and select Art. This will ensure that we end up with an image that's tall and thin, which is perfect for printing out as a poster or wall art. Finally, under Model, we're going to select Stable Diffusion XL 1.5. This is one of the most advanced text-to-image generators out there. Now that we have our settings configured, it's time to generate some beautiful artwork. To do that, we're going to enter in some keywords. If you're looking to make Afrocentric wall art, you can enter in keywords such as Black Woman, Black King, Melanin, Africa, Tribal Art, Adinkra Symbols, and Kente Cloth. Make sure to use as many keywords as possible separated by commas. For my first design, I'm going to use Black Queen, Beautiful, Black, Melanin, Africa, Tribal Art, Adinkra Symbols, Kente Cloth. Then click on Generate. After a few seconds, it will start generating the images, and after about a minute or two, you'll have 4 images to choose from. As you can see, they're all unique and beautiful. Go ahead and click on one of the images to zoom in and take a closer look. You can scroll down to see more details and even click on Original Image to see the full resolution image. Once you find an image you like, go ahead and save it to your computer by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Download. We've now successfully generated our first piece of wall art using AI. The next step is to turn it into a printable poster using Canva. Head over to a free online design tool. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free using any email address. Go ahead and click on Create a Design and select Custom Size. We're going to be creating an 11 by 14 inch poster, but feel free to choose whatever size you'd like. Once you click Create New Design, go ahead and drag and drop your AI-generated artwork into the Canva. As you can see, we've successfully imported our first artwork. Now we can go ahead and add a white border around the edge of the poster using the Border tool. Next, we want to make the poster more visually appealing by adding some texture. To do that, go to the left menu and click on Elements. Then search for Texture and select the first option. Once you click on the texture, you can adjust the size and position it to your liking. I prefer to position mine in the center of the poster. Then I simply repeat the process for each poster. Once you finish editing your poster, you're ready to upload it to Etsy as a digital download. Head over to the website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you should see a notification that says Welcome to Etsy. Click on this notification and it will take you to your Etsy homepage. From here, we're going to click on Shop Manager at the top of the page. Then we'll click on Listings, followed by Add a Listing. On the next page, we'll need to add a title and a short description for our poster. Make sure to include relevant keywords that people might use to search for the poster. Next, we want to click on Add Photos and upload the poster that we created in Canvas. Once we finish uploading the poster, we can go ahead and click on Attributes. Here we'll need to select the category and subcategories for our poster. Since we're selling wall art, we'll select Home and Living, followed by Wall Art. We want to set the price for our poster. I recommend starting with a price of around $10. Then we need to select the quantity. Since this is a digital download, we can set the quantity to not applicable. Next, we can go ahead and click on Save and Finish. And that's it. We've now successfully listed our first piece of wall art on Etsy. All we have to do now is sit back and watch the sales roll in. Over time, you'll be able to build up a large catalog of wall art that will bring in a steady stream of passive income. So go ahead and give it a try. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more ways to earn with a Y.